Yes.
What paper? It's on.
Ashley, you're my bunny. Ashley, come here. Wherever you are. Ashley? Can you come in Daddy's office? Please. I'm Casey.
Hey, it's beautiful, eh?
And I still need to add more to it. Oh no! I still need to add 2 more it. Some squares and something else.
It looks good. Did you see that, Ember? Did you like it? Did you do any taping?
Yeah.
Cool.
I didn't tape Ashley though.
Why? What'd you tape?
I don't know. Uh-oh.
Whoa. You okay?
Yeah.
Cool. You guys ready to read our Narnia book?
Yes.
Let's do it.